Okay, so today we're gonna plant some garlic. I busted up the bulbs, came out with 44 cloves. I'm gonna keep track of the size of bulbs I planted, see if it makes a difference. I got some really small ones. Some of them won't even grow, but we're gonna do it anyways. Let's go check out what we have to work with. Here's what we got as far as a plot for this year. Try to make this as quick and easy as possible. You don't have to be perfect with this. It's just dirt. And my soil is pretty well worked over 10-15 years, so basically all you need to do is break the soil and put the bulbs in. Put a little bit of compost and a tiny bit of steer manure to make it smell good. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just make it easy as possible. Wear gloves you want. It's just dirt. Get over it. Don't need much, at least that. A little late start this year. It's November 13th. Just had a freeze a couple days ago. Really have any tilled soil, but just break it up a little. Not gonna matter. Take a tiller to it if you want, but the more you break it up, the worse off the soil will be. Might matter to some, but it doesn't matter to me. That's all you need. Now, it's the only second time I planted garlic, so just make a quick outline. They don't have to be too far apart. And to get an outline, you have to start over. Go ahead. Don't work this year or work next year. Vice versa. No guarantees. Here's the bed prep. Okay, I got the clothes divided up into by size the best I could. I got 14 of the largest ones, 14 of the like medium, mid-range, and then the smaller ones, got about 16 of them. So just space them, plan them out, skip that step. Okay, I ended up doing 4 rows. I already covered the last row over there, just ditch efforts. Got 11 per row in the small row on the end, and trying to keep them about 2 inches deep, 1 to 2 inches, and I'll cover them up and get going. Oh, almost forgot one thing. Should probably mark where they're at. Just to give you an idea. Nothing's perfect. Forget about it. It's really not that hard to do. Just throw the things in the ground. Grow. It's so much better to grow your own. Lots of things. You don't have to tap it down, but it's gonna settle one way or another. Okay, if you want, you can scatter some more compost on top to help with water retention. This isn't a very good compost, but better than nothing at all. To use my own. I don't have enough. And it does have nutrients and stuff in it. I'll feed it later on when they start growing. Okay, one thing. Alright, I went ahead and replaced those sticks with some rocks. I'll show you why in a minute. One thing you want to do is, since it's winter, going on cold season, throw some hay over the top. And keep the ground from freezing, and it helps retain moisture in the desert, in the wild. Started using this hay. It's made a big difference. And it looks better anyways. Keeps the dirt from drying out on top. Try to keep it even, but so you got pets, you get high winds, it's a good idea to cover it with some chicken wire or some wire mesh, some sort of concrete mesh, just to keep the cats out. Our cats love it. Try to get the chicken wire on me later, but now that's what I have to do. So that's it. Now I'll come over maybe in about a month or so, or two, when they start sprouting up. If they do, it's a little late. And I'll throw some fertilizer on this, some chicken fertilizer. And by next June, we should have some garlic. I almost forgot to say to get a water it in a little, give it a good start. I also want to show you this new fall crop we started a couple months ago. It's really coming along. So, got some carrots right there, and spinach. Let's see if I can set this up. Been protecting it with this romaine and a couple door screens. Okay, we managed. This was September 30th we planted these. We managed to get some carrots and some spinach, and there's some orange beets, some lettuce, and some white beets, and same thing over there, carrots, beets, lettuce. And it grew pretty good. So I need to give it a try next year. Anyways, that's it for the garlic. Have a good day.